Hi everybody, it's Chris Fate. Time for a little fishing song. Searching for the redfish, shadows of my past. Sun rising slowly, I make my first cast. Drinking Captain Morgan's rum on a boat made of wood. Now I'm fishing Apalachicola and life, it's good. Working 8 to 5, I'm caught up in the race. It's high time I get out of this place. Boss man scolded me for all he could, but now I'm fishing Apalachicola and life, it's good. Singing goodbye, Ruby Tuesday, driving Highway 30A, Scully's low country boil, everything will be okay. Fishing and a drinking every day, it's understood, but now I'm fishing Apalachicola and life, it's good. Sometimes I go to church on Sunday morn, I dream of the salt water out in the Horn, where the land meets the sea. Can't wait to go see the tarpon and the cootas and the pompano. See the tarpon and the cootas and the pompano. Searching for the redfish, shadows of my past. Sun rising slowly, I make my first cast. Drinking Captain Morgan's rum on a boat made of wood. Yes, I'm fishing Apalachicola and life, it's good. Fishing Apalachicola and life, it's good.